How to insert bullets in Microsoft Word. Hey everyone, this is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First, you will launch your Microsoft Word on your device and then open your Microsoft Word document. After that, you simply need to highlight the text that you want to convert into a list. So, let's select using this cursor. Let me choose this five particular lines. After that, you need to simply click on this bullet section. So if you are not in the home tab, support insert, you need to click on home tab. Then from this paragraph section, you will get the bullets option. So simply you can click on any of the bullets and then you can choose any bullets from this bullet library and click on any one as per your choice. So in this way you can create the bullets on Microsoft Word. Further, if you want to create number list in Microsoft Word, you need to simply select the text you want to number. And after that, you need to click on the same bullets next to it. The numbering library will open and here you can choose any numbering bullets of your choice. So in this particular way, we can simply insert bullets in Microsoft Word. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.